Hey guys, welcome to couponing. This is Splint Rose. How are you? I hope you're doing good. I'm doing pretty good. I'm coming to you with my DIY. And I started off with these four organizing drawers. Let's see, it's still wrapped up. These four. 1, 2, 3, and 4 right here. And then I bought this part right here, and this part I was going to stack on the top after I got done with the project. And I made my own, and I think it came out pretty good for it to be my first one. But I know the more I involve myself in doing these, the better I will become at doing the stackable organizing drawers. Now, the one that I made for my niece, and I put some items in it just to show her what type of things she should probably put inside, just to give her an idea. She could put whatever she wants inside the organizing drawers. So anyway, guys, I am going to show you the finished product. Okay, guys, this is the finished product. And I stacked them all up. I stacked them one at a time. And as you can see, I embellished it with these nice decorative, what are they called? Rhinestones. I embellished it with the rhinestones. I put a rhinestone here. These are the gold rhinestones. Oh, how did this fall? Yeah, pretty interesting. It fell all the way down. Okay, it's up. I put that brown cardboard behind it because the other stuff that's in the background takes away from the project itself. All right, so I also embellished it with these gold rhinestones. I put them here. I put this here. I put this here and this here. But that wasn't the first step. The first step was I started stacking them. And as I stacked them, I put the glue, I put the glue all around. And then I put each tray down. I let it dry. And I let it dry for a while before I start messing with it, because this was like the last step that I did. But I glued it all around, and as you can see, I put some rhinestones over here. I embellished it with the rhinestones. I thought that was pretty cute. I could have put it here, but I don't know. I kind of thought it would be too much. All right, and then what I did, I put it on this side as well. As you can see, I embellished it with the rhinestones all the way down. And then what I did is, okay, I see these drawers come out. You see the paper that's in here? I put that paper in every one of the little cases. I put the paper in, and I made sure that I cut them all out equally. This one is kind of tight. Oh, it came right out. All right, this one is better to see. And I didn't glue it down because I figured that maybe you might want to move it out and change it up or switch it up or something like that. So I didn't glue it down, but that paper comes right out. I think it's a nice paper. Where did I buy that? I bought that paper from the dollar store too. All right. And in this one I put a Kiss Gloss NYC lip gloss. I'm also going to get her things like bobby pins and more clips like these so that she can use these clips. Oh, this one I have to take the paper off. Okay, so she could use these clips. I think those clips are fabulous. Look, and I saw these little rhinestones, and I said, wow, that would work perfect on pulling the drawer out. You see? So each one of the drawers pull out. Each drawer pulls out. See, the drawers pull out. And if I turn it, you look what I did. Uh-oh, don't fall over. Look what I did on the back. I blinged it out, and I put this paper, I put the paper on the back as well. And so the paper that's on the back, the lines are going down vertically, and inside I made the lines go the same way. You see, so this is the outside, and I put the nail polish up here at the top. You can put whatever you want. Let me just keep turning it around. It's simple, right? It's pretty simple. It's not all that difficult to do. All right, so this is my DIY from the Dollar Tree. I didn't buy these from the Dollar Tree. These came from Michael's, and you get a whole little pack of them. I think a pack like this for $1.50. The rhinestones, and they are sticky. They stick right onto the back of the the back is sticky, so it sticks right onto whatever you put it on. All right, so look, one of the rhinestones came off. I have to reinforce that. I don't know where it is, but I also bought these. I'm gonna put these on the mirrors that I'm gonna do. All right, but and I bought these. I love these. They look like a nice bow. I bought those rhinestones. And I have on a red blouse today, and that reflects right inside of these bows. But anyway, guys, this is the project that I did, the DIY, do it yourself. And I think that it came out pretty good. All right, if you desire to do one, I hope my directions were clear enough. Because all you do, I use some I bought glue yesterday. I used the E6000 glue to glue this all together. Then I went and reinforced it with my hot glue gun, and that helped really reinforce it and got it to really stick. So I don't have to put some of that hot glue stuff on these little rhinestones up here, because they did come off. And here's the back again. All right, and turn it around the side. You can put whatever you want in this. There's no specific thing that you have to put in. It's what you want. All right, so anyway, guys, thank you for joining me. Remember, have fun shopping. Don't forget to subscribe, thumbs up the video, and I'll see you in the next DIY. Do it yourself. All right, guys, love you much. Bye-bye.